Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China with good settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of made in China and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, we'll turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.